Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Allercet DC tablet. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Microlabs Ltd. Allercet DC tablet. Uses. Allercet DC tablet is commonly used for the treatment of sneezing and runny nose caused by allergies. Whether it's seasonal allergies or environmental triggers, this tablet offers fast relief. Benefits. This medicine provides multi-symptom relief. It reduces sneezing, clears nasal congestion, and soothes watery or itchy eyes. One of the big plus points? It causes less drowsiness than older antihistamines, helping you get through your day without feeling too sleepy. Side effects. Although generally safe, Allercet DC may cause mild side effects like dry mouth, fatigue, diarrhea, constipation, headache, or sleepiness. These symptoms usually go away on their own, but if they persist, it's best to consult your doctor. How to use. Take Allercet DC exactly as advised by your doctor. Swallow it whole. Don't chew or break it. It can be taken with or without food, but try to take it at the same time each day for best results. How it works. Allercet DC is a combination of two active ingredients. Cetirizine is an antihistamine that blocks histamine, the chemical responsible for sneezing and watery eyes. Phenylephrine is a decongestant that narrows blood vessels in the nose, relieving nasal stuffiness.